Hi, you guys, it's Mrs. We are working in our figurative language packet. So remember, I put these in your binders. They're probably in your language arts section or your grammar. So first, get that out. Once you find your figurative language package, the first page says what are similes. But we're today going to be working on alliteration. So alliteration is in the back. I want you to make sure you find the right page as we will be going over the answers in class. So you want to make sure you have this done. All right. So alliteration. Let me go ahead and get the focus locked in there. So we're going to start out with what is alliteration. Alliteration is when the beginning sound of a word is repeated 2 or more times in a phrase or sentence. Here's an example. Tommy took 2 tomatoes. Do you guys see how the t is repeated? Please pass the plate. Now notice that the was put in there in order to make the sentence sound correct. So don't worry about putting words in there as long as the sentence makes sense. Your goal is to get at least almost all of the words to start with the same letter. So here's another one, beautiful blue butterflies. So now it says use at least 3 words from each of these boxes to create an alliteration sentence. It says you can use other words too. So all of these start with S. Sauce, slipped, sorry, said, Sam, saw, some. I'm going to come up with my own, and then you're all going to share the ones that you come up with. So let me give you an example first. I'm going to say Sam slipped on some sauce. So there we go. I used Sam, slipped, some, and sauce, but I had to put this word in there to help the sentence make sense. So that's okay. Here's another one. Planted pot, petunias, pretty, Paul picked. I'm going to say that Paul planted pretty petunias. Done. And so what I want you to do is do numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, doing the same thing. Now remember, we are in 5th grade, so we also practice proper capitalization and punctuation. I want to see capitalization at the beginning of your sentence. I want to see capitalization for any proper nouns, and you need to have a period at the end of each sentence. So that is what I'm looking for. Do your best, and that's what I want you to do for your assignment today on alliteration. So have fun making your sentences, and we'll go over those in class.